You're on the air now.
I am on the air.
Yeah, you're on the air now. Let's do a little video. You can hold the camera. I bet you I can beat the drum just as good or probably even better. But you know what? We're gonna go eat some food, and I want to show you the guy making the conch salad. Come, let's go this way.
How you doing?
Good, good. You look like a guy I went to school with. Yeah. You looking like a little Eddie Murphy, eh? A Bahamian Eddie Murphy.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah. You're the conch salad guy?
I doesn't sometimes. The people request me.
Okay, we saw a guy doing it just now. But I wanted to catch him on film.
Oh, okay. You get this. You guys can actually go in the back that way.
Go.
You can see me.
Come in the back. Come in the back. I'll show you all the conch shell on the ground.
Now he's gonna clean them up. So you guys can watch this. This is where you clean them. Look good. You'll see me again.
The guy that you see there is making conch salad, and he's cleaning off the you know, the guts and so on. And here he's chopping up everything and put it in that bowl.
Oh, you can film on that?
Oh yeah, yeah. Put that on YouTube, man. Yeah, of course. Oh my God. That's a video camera.
I didn't know. Where you from? Trinidad.
You can pick it up. No, but I live in Canada.
No?
I live in Toronto.
Well, Canada's like 3.5 hours away from here.
No, man, 2.5.
2 weeks.
Exactly 2.5 hours. 2 hours and
I thought it was
54 minutes.
3.5.
What did I go for? 11 bucks?
No, 10.
Wow. And one of those would go for $10 a bowl. $10 a bowl for conch salad. It's a delicacy in the Bahamas. So if you want some, you need to come down to the Bahamas right now. We're taking orders. Click it down. You can set it up there.